Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to use the spin wheel element in EComposer. This feature lets you create an interactive, gamified experience where customers spin a wheel to win discounts, coupons, or gifts. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up prizes, triggers, design styles, and winning pop-ups. What the spin wheel does. The spin wheel makes promotions more fun and engaging. You can use it on any page like home, product, or landing pages. You can even place it inside a pop-up to capture leads and grow your subscriber list. Everything is fully customizable to match your brand. Step 1. Add the spin wheel element. In the left sidebar, open the Shopify tab. Drag the spin wheel element to the position you want. The wheel will appear with default prizes already included. Step 2. Configure General Prize Settings. Click Add New Prize to create additional prizes. You can duplicate, delete, or reorder prizes to match your campaign. In each prize item, adjust discount name, discount code, and probability for each prize. You can also choose the spin action. Click Center, after Form Submit, enable or disable fireworks, and choose the spin duration per full rotation. Step 3. Customize the arrow. Under the arrow settings, choose an icon from the built-in icon library. Select the position, top, bottom, left, or right. Step 4. Customize the Win Prize pop-up. In the Win Prize tab, you can set the pop-up heading, choose the copy icon, set the copied success icon, preview the Win pop-up inside the editor. This pop-up appears when a customer wins a prize. Step 5. Customize the Lose Prize pop-up. In the Lose Prize tab, you can add a heading for the losing pop-up, enable preview to see how the losing message looks. This pop-up appears when customers land on a non-winning section. Step 6. Configure the wheel center. Inside the center settings, set the center label, add or change the center icon, choose icon position, top or bottom, and adjust the gap between icon and text. Step 7. General Design Settings. In the Design tab, you can customize width, background, border and radius, box shadow, and spacing. Adjust these to fit your overall page design. Step 8. Style the wheel center. Customize the center appearance with background and border, typography for the label, icon size and color. Everything is fully editable. Step 9. Style the arrow. In the Arrow Design section, modify the icon size, fill color, and stroke color. This helps match your brand look. Step 10. Style the result pop-up. For the pop-up design, adjust max width, background, border, spacing, and customize the heading style for both win and lose messages. Step 11. Style the discount code button. Design the copy code button with typography, text colors, background colors, width and height, shadows, and spacing. This makes your reward section stand out clearly. Step 12. Style the copy code icon. You can change color, size, and rotation. This icon helps customers quickly copy their discount. Step 13. Style each prize section individually. Under All Prize and each prize section, such as Prize 1, you can set background color, text color, and custom typography. Repeat for every prize to highlight different reward levels. And that's how to create and customize the spin wheel element in EComposer. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to EComposer for more helpful tips, tutorials, and product updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next EComposer guide.